Omar. Oh, wow.
Now I got no more ammo.
All right, pick them up.
Okay. Alright, I'm gonna put these to the side. All to the side. Thank you.
Which one do you want next?
I want
Which one?
this one.
Okay, then. Look at this one. What is this? A shotgun?
Yeah, it's a shotgun.
What about this one? What about this one? It's
Is
like
this-
a pistol. Yeah, it's a cool pistol.
Oh, this is the pistol. And this.
Let's open. Look at
Wow.
these now. Oh, I guess these are like a little pin you attach and then you're supposed to shoot it. That's cool. These are some ammo, little pistols. You could put like gun and shoot it. Wow. And these are another pistol and one shotgun. Let's go and take battle. Ready, set, go! Who wants to go first, me or you?
Me.
Okay, you can go first. Ah! Get the other gun. Come on, aim. Oh!
I won! I braked it. Give me my ammo.
No, it's okay. Wait, stand right there. We'll do it afterwards. Ready? Watch me. Oh, close. One more bullet.
Oh!
We have one more last gun. It's like a cool Nerf gun. Look at this.
Look at this.
Let's try to shoot it. Let's shoot like it.
I want to shoot. Is your ammo?
Huh? Let's try that again. Ready, set. Oh.
No, you take. No, you get all of the ammo.
Your turn.
It's so big.
Oh!
I'll shoot you.
Okay, good. Awesome. Good.